I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be.
Good day, celebrator, my Maring Nining, my friend, my neighbor, and everything. Come September 6, 2024, your birthday, and at the same time, your last day in the government service. Happy to know and thank God that you reached this maximum finishing line in your government service. Very alive and kicking, because not all employees or government workers can reach in this line. I'm so proud of you as my friend and my Maring in God's parent. Good luck to your next journey in life being a private person. Iwas stress, kay dili na ngayon sa atong edad ang mag-stress and worries. Enjoy and spend your life to the fullest, especially with the family. Take care of your health, Maring. Take healthy lifestyle para magkita-kita pa tayo in long years. Thank you so much for the times being a friend, co-workers, Maring, and even more. See you on September 6, 3 p.m. for more chika for this big event in your government service. Advance happy birthday and retirement party celebration. Love you. God bless. Mwah!
As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there.
Happy retirement and happy birthday, Ma'am Nining. We love you.
This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
Hi Ning! Niya ang atong mga kauban niya sa akong luyo o gusto nako nga isulti sa imo nga niabot ra gyud ang panahon nga naghinam-hinam gyud ka kay nakita gyud nako na sa imo excited kay ka sa imong retirement. Nining, mingawon gyud mi sa imo ha, pero kay balo ko nga mulaglaag man pud ka dinhi sa amo kay mingawon man pud ka namo no. So, manghinaot ko nga sa imong retirement, mas malipayon pagyud ka nga dili na kami imong ikauban pero nanay gyud kay special time para sa kang yong ug sa imong pamilya. So, happy birthday and happy retirement.
Ma'am Neng, happy 65th birthday and happy retirement as well. So you're on to another chapter of your life. But before you leave, first of all, I would like to say thank you for the dedicated service that you have given to the municipality of Maramag. I understand that you are really an asset. In fact, when we were talking with Ma'am Daisy, she was saying na she got medyo guol gid siya nga you would be retiring already, because you have proven really to be an invaluable member of her office. Mura na bukag abogada because you frequently attend hearings and testify on case studies that you have made. So kanang you have also been so industrious and you are the epitome of that public servant who serves with a smile. Mamiss ka na namo, Ma'am Neng. And really, we will also be missing your generosity, especially during Christmas season. Manghatag yung kang mga flashlights, mga wallets, and just the simple stuff. But that's really appreciated because it manifests the generosity of your heart. So you would be moving forward to another journey in your life. It is our hope, it is my sincere wish that even after retirement, you would have more accomplishments, probably different, lahi na po nga mga accomplishments. May this retirement open new opportunities for you as well. And I know this will give you more time to explore and pursue your other passions in life. So di jud mi although we would be missing you a lot, but we will also not be selfish. You have given so much of yourself in the name of public service. So it's also your time to pursue the other matters that would also make you happy, your family, your time for yourself, more relaxation, more traveling. So I wish that it would be a happier chapter in your life, the chapter that awaits you after retirement. So once again, Ma'am Neng, happy birthday. May you have very healthy years ahead, years of still fulfilling moments, happier times with your family and your loved ones. But always you will have a place in our hearts, and you have made also your imprint in the history of Maramag as a member of the MSWDO. Happy birthday po.
The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, cause
Hello, Ate Neneng. Happy birthday. Although this is your retirement day also, no, but I would like to thank you for all the services nga imong gihimo diri sa lokal nga pagagamanan sa lungsod sa Maramag. Kabalo ko, even when I was just little, bata ako, pregnant ako, pregnant na ako kamakitaan kay sukad pa sa panahon ni tatay po, masingkat ang vice mayor pa siya, no? Ato nahimo siyang mayor, no? Constant fixture manggihapon ka dito sa balay. O kami po doon sa maglaag po dito sa ilang Apol Itoy, no? Makita ka na ako permanente. So dili gid lain si Ate Neneng sa amua. So nalipay gani ko nga naabot ang panahon na I'm with the local government unit of Maramag na nawa ko nagdahom nga maabot pa di ang panahon nga ma-appoint ta pagid ka, no? Kanang sa position nga imong gikuptan karon. But your retirement day came, no? Niabot na gyud, no? That day has come. Pero wala nagpasabot nga maundang na pud imong pagkontribusyon. Naara man gihapon na kanunay, no, ang pagkontribusyon nimo. Kung naara pud midinhi, anda mo dawat sa unsang tabang nga pwede nimo mo-contribute, no, sa atong pagkontribusyon sa katawhan. Daghang salamat sa suporta all through these years, no. O i-enjoy na lang nimo imong imong retirement at Neneng together with your family. No, in as much as gusto ko personally na ati maningkamot ko makahabol ko unya, no, di na may mga meetings ko nga nahitabo natapat yun mga important meetings, pero I'll try my best nga mag-adto ko din na personally para mag-greet kag happy birthday o happy retirement. Happy birthday again, Ate Neneng. Love you.
this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, cause this is not goodbye. Just I love you to take with you until you're home.